Hello, I'm Michael Suba, President of Continental Hair. I'm quite excited today because I'm getting my new second skin hair system applied. It's a skin base with virgin hair injected into it, and then it's applied and bonded to my scalp. So it'll be there for a month. So I'll sleep, swim, play hockey, just live my life like I wasn't losing my hair, and it'll look good. I can't wait. The second skin is terrific. It is a second skin. It's just like that. It's so natural. A lot of times when you get something new, especially with your hair, you're worried about it. No, I love this. This is terrific. I'm going to enjoy this.